We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello friends, in this session we will discuss how to draw sections of solid for a given cylinder. The data is given like this: a cylinder diameter 50 mm and height 70 mm is standing on HP on its circular base. Just draw this first line. To draw this first line, draw an XY line. This is cylinder, this is front view and this is top view. So draw XY line that represents intersection of HP and VP, and draw a circle below XY line having diameter 50 mm. Draw its axis, horizontal axis and vertical axis. Height is given as 70 mm. So draw a rectangle of height 70 mm and mark its midpoint. See, up to this step we have drawn this first line. A cylinder diameter 50 mm, height 70 mm is resting on HP on its circular base. Right? It's a very simple step. Now second, read second line. It is cut by a cutting plane which is inclined at 45 degree to horizontal plane and passing through midpoint of the axis. So find out midpoint of its axis, that is at a distance of 35 mm from this XY line. Say this is 35, not 35. So at a distance of 35 mm, mark a point on this axis. From this point, draw a line that makes an angle of 45 degree with XY line like this. This angle is 45 degree. And divide this circle into equal number of parts. Here I have divided into 8 parts. You can divide into 12 parts or n number of parts. Name endpoints as A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Transfer these points in front view. Say A, vertical line from point A or projection line from point A, B, C, D, E and F, and cut it over here in this cutting plane. Name A dash from point A line, A dash from point B, B dash from point C, C dash and so on. So A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash, G dash and H dash would be here. Now how to draw its cutting plane or true shape of this section. So this is a removed portion. Draw it very light. No need to erase it completely. You can lighter it. Now what should we do? Take projections from this point, means a line perpendicular to this cutting plane line from point A dash. Draw a line like this. This angle is 90 degree. What I have done, I repeat. Draw a line that is perpendicular to this cutting plane line and passing through point A dash, and length of this line is equal to this line, distance of point A from XY line. So measure this distance, put your compass over here, measure this distance or take this distance as a radius, A to XY line. Mark here A dash as a center, draw an arc. So this distance and this distance are same. So this is point A. Similarly, what should we do to locate point B? Yes, from point B dash, draw a line that is perpendicular to X dash Y dash line or this cutting plane line. Measure this distance between XY line and point B, and take B dash as a center, draw an arc. This is point B. Similarly, for point C, draw a line from point C dash, measure the distance of point C from XY line, cut arc over here. This is point C. Similarly, for point D, you can do same exercise. From point D dash, draw a line perpendicular to this cutting plane line and measure distance of point D from XY line. and draw it over here, locate it over here. This is point D. Similarly, point E can be drawn over here, point F can be drawn, point G can be located as shown over here, point H can be located, and join all these points A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H with a smooth curve. It's an ellipse, and draw cutting plane line, or sorry, section lines in this ellipse in such a way that the angle between this section line and this cutting plane is 45 degree. So either this line will be vertical or horizontal, because the angle of this cutting plane is 45 degree with XY line. Again a line at an angle of 45 degree with cutting plane line. So this will be either vertical line or horizontal line. This is true shape of the section, and this is final answer of given problem. Hope it's clear to you how to draw the sectional view of given cylinder. Now this is sectional top view, because if this cylinder is cut from here, this total cylinder will cut. So this is a sectional top view of the problem. So we have drawn all these three views: front view, sectional top view, and true shape of the section. Hope it's clear to you. Thanks for watching, and feel free to contact me for any query.